In this video, you'll learn about how to spot crawlspace damages, what is crawlspace post and pad replacement, how much it costs, and if it's the right solution for your problem. No one wants their house to sound like a haunted mansion, creaking and crackling. The feeling of embarrassment and safety when it comes to a home is real. You deserve to have a safe, creak and crack-free home. In this video, you will learn about crawlspace post and pad repairs. The construction of a raised foundation or pier and beam home has concrete footings. It may have more interior concrete footings in the crawlspace that are needed for any of the load-bearing walls. Footings placed on the soil are more affected by any soil movement or deterioration. We have seen a lot of these get washed out with water or drainage leaks that can occur throughout the life of your home. Once these bases get ruined, you can start to experience sagging floors or bouncy floors in your home. Our service goes in and repairs any crawlspace damage. Removing and replacing the existing post and pad system will allow for your home's floor foundation to be secure for years to come. Most of the time, the existing pads, if there are any to begin with, have deteriorated over the years. Once these pads have deteriorated to a certain level, replacing them is vital to continue to have your home's floor properly supported. During the removal and replacement, we're able to lift and level areas of the existing pier and beam system. New posts are installed and secured properly to the new pad and existing girder beam. All of the post and pad replacement work takes place under your home in the crawlspace. There's minimal disturbances to you or to your home during this process. Most post and pad replacements can be completed in a day to allow you to enjoy your newly strengthened floor immediately. If you have cracks, sloping floors, your asthma and or allergy symptoms are deteriorating, or even doors or windows that don't want to close properly, this service is for you. With repairs with crawlspace jacks, post and pad replacements, seismic retrofitting, stem wall repairs, and even moisture controlled crawl spaces, we can fix your crawlspace issues. If you don't have these issues, you don't need this service. Letting foundation issues be set aside isn't in your best interest. We want to make sure that you and your home are safe. If left unfixed, your home's resale value will drop 30% or more due to these issues. Plus, remodeling is not suggested due to foundation issues getting worse. All the new flooring or patches will get ruined, doors and windows will start to get harder and harder to close, and flooring could start to feel bouncy. We suggest fixing your foundation issues as soon as possible so you and your home are safe. The average price for each crawlspace post and pad ranges from $350 to $750. It depends on which type of post and pad you want. It also ranges from concrete to wood to all steel. Depending on the county, the price might even go over $750 due to footings needing to be poured in concrete instead of gravel. Here at Dalinghaus Construction, we have a $5,000 minimum in order to ensure we don't lose money on products, labor, or mobilization. If you have any foundation issues that you need to repair, you can contact us. A free inspection is always available, and after the inspection is complete, you'll receive your accurate quote from our foundation specialist. If you'd like to move forward and get an inspection done on your property, please click the Get Started link at the top right of our website. After you do that, you'll be placed with one of our project design specialists within 48 business hours. From there, they will set a day and a time to do a free inspection on your property. So, now that you know about post and pad repairs and replacements, please, if you have any questions or concerns, contact us. Remember, never settle for you or your home safety.